Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss one of my favorite topics, which is all about organization. I have recently set up my home and I thought why not share some tips and tricks with all of you. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, let me start by sharing my 4 favorite rules. Sounds very simple, but they're very important. The first one is that everything should have a dedicated space. Sounds a little silly, but trust me, it is the most important one. The second one being things should be convenient to find. Say for example, you're using your skincare on a daily basis. That skincare should be on the topmost shelf or somewhere which is easily findable. The third one being containerize as much as possible. If everything has a dedicated container, trust me, it just makes your life very easy and sorted. And then the fourth one is keep minimal things outside. Try to find a space for each and everything in your shelves or cupboards and try to keep minimum things outside, which makes the entire space look very clean and fresh. Let me start by talking about each of the dedicated spaces now and how I have gone about organizing some of the stuff. Let's start with kitchen first. For the kitchen, I have got these type of containers. These are like glass containers, very good quality, and they come with a bamboo lid. In my opinion, getting similar kind of containers go really well together and makes your place look very aesthetic and well organized. I have got a bunch of these containers in different sizes as well as shapes. I have literally used these containers for everything, right from rice, different types of flours, pulses, maybe almonds, pecans, sugar, coffee, tea, basically everything, and I think it just makes your entire kitchen very put together. Next up, let's discuss stacking. I think stacking is one hack that has really changed my life. Usually what happens is we don't end up utilizing the entire vertical as well as horizontal space in your cabinets or shelves, and stacking helps you achieve that. So I got these shelves from Amazon which can be used for vertical stacking. Basically you can keep some of your utensils below the shelf and some of the utensils above that shelf, and I think it is such a life-changing hack. Whenever you stack your plates in a vertical fashion, you can just fit in so much in that space. However, if you get a shelf which has horizontal stacking of your dinner plates or small plates, then it just makes so much more sense. You can fit in more things in a smaller space as well. Next up, let's move to the refrigerator organization. For storing veggies, I got a box which looks something like this. It comes in so handy, it is so useful. Basically, it comes in with a lid and then there are multiple containers inside. It can be used to keep either half of your veggies, or even if you're chopping your veggies, you can keep your chopped veggies in here and it stays perfectly without getting the smell to the rest of the food that is in your refrigerator, as well as is very secure and firm. A lot of times you end up using just half an onion or half a capsicum and you don't know what to do with the rest of the half, how to store it in your refrigerator without making the other food smell of onion. So for that I got something like this. It is so cute. It comes in the shape of an onion and you can store the onion that is remaining for the next use. It also comes in a bunch of different shapes. I know that there were ones for tomatoes, garlic, also bell pepper, so you can check these out. Next up, let's discuss bathroom space. For organization in the bathroom, I have a bunch of cabinets, but in those cabinets and shelves I have used containers like these. I also have a bunch of different sizes and shapes in these containers, but they're so good quality. Basically use these to store my skincare, makeup, a bunch of toiletries. I like to segregate things, so each container has a different category of items that are needed on a daily basis. I also try to organize in a way that most frequently used items are right at the top of shelf, where it is very handy and easy to find. Let us now quickly go and see how I have organized my vanity. Let's start with the first drawer. This one we have a bunch of perfumes. I like this container. It stores in all of my perfumes very well. These are some of the products that I love a lot, so I just got a few extras in case I run out of those. Then here we have another container which basically has my contact lenses. These are extras as well. Next up, let's move on to my actual vanity. This has all of my makeup and a bunch of home remedies as well. Let's start with this container right here. This has all of my foundations and blushes. Then this one has mascara, it has concealer, it has my Fit Me powder and a few beauty blenders. This one has a bunch of home remedy items, so basically it has like turmeric, chandan powder and things like that, which is great for skincare. This right here are minis, so this has like a mini hairspray, it has a mini moisturizer. This is the container that I reach out to in case I am traveling. And then these two pouches have all of my lipsticks. Last but definitely not the least, let's discuss some hacks that I have used for my bedrooms. I am obsessed with containers like this. They look so aesthetic, so pretty, but are so useful. These are boho baskets that I got from Amazon, but basically you can use these to store absolutely anything and everything. And the good part is that you don't need to put them inside your cupboards or your shelves. You can just keep them outside as well, and they still look very good. A lot of times we don't know how to organize our electronics, especially your chargers, your batteries and things like that. For that, I have found this pouch to be so handy and so useful. I use this to store all of the accessories that are related to my camera and some of the vlogging stuff, but it comes in different sizes as well. It has two different compartments. One of my compartment contains this tripod, my card reader and things like that, and you can also use this to store your chargers, and everything just becomes less messy and you can find all of your things in one place. I have 2 or 3 of these pouches which basically contain different types of accessories that I need, and I exactly know where to find them. This is how my side table looks like. A pouch for camera accessories, my camera, and then a container for basically all of my laptop and phone chargers. When we decided to finalize this house, one of our major concerns was that there was not enough storage and closet space. The way we handled this problem was to get even the home decor or aesthetic items which has storage space inbuilt in it. Just for example, the bed frame that we have, we got one which has like 4 drawers which will be useful for storing pillow covers, bed sheets and things like that. The ottoman which is kept at the entrance besides the shoe cabinet, which is basically just to sit down and like wear your shoes, also has storage inside. So in case if you're facing this problem, the solution would be to also get like the aesthetic and home decor items which will also have a practical use to it, if that makes any sense. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you liked it and it was useful in some way or the other. If you have made it so far, leave this emoji right here in the comments down below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel below, follow me on my Instagram, and I shall see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.